Hi Amma, welcome to AyaansMath. The question is given Amma, x plus y plus z is equal to 6. 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 3 by 2. X, y, z is equal to 8. So you have to find the values of x, y, z. So here first of all, those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel. Like this Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. This your subscription is very important. This is a new channel. So here pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you do this problem? If any ideas are that better ideas, you can share the ideas. So here let us take it as first equation. This is second equation and third equation. Now if you take first equation, second equation, 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 3 by 2. So here if you take LCM, xy plus yz plus zx by xyz is equal to 3 by 2. So here xyz value is 8. Xy plus yz plus zx by 8 is equal to 3 by 2. Xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 3 into 8 by 2. So here you are getting 12. So here these values will form a cubic equation. It will form a cubic equation. So let us take in t cube minus x plus y plus z into t square plus xy plus yz plus zx into t minus xyz is equal to 0. So t cube minus 60 plus 12t minus 8 equal to 0. So by trial and error, t minus 2, t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2. By Horn's method, so here 1 minus 6, 12, 8. So here 0, 2 times 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 4, minus 8, here you will get 4, plus 8, you will get 0. So the factors what you are getting is t minus 2 into t square minus 4t plus 4 equal to 0. So here t minus 2 into this one is t minus 2 whole square equal to 0. Therefore, t value is 2. From this also roots are all roots are equal. Therefore, x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 2 is the solution. Thank you for watching AyaansMath. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansMath Olympiad.